Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to change Schlage Keypad 4-digit code, replace user pin BE365FE595FE575. To change a 4-digit code, user code on most Schlage Keypad lock like the BE365 or FE595, you need your 6-digit programming code. First, you must delete the old 4-digit code and before adding a new one. Step 1. Delete the old 4-digit code. Now enter your 6-digit programming code. Wait for the Schlage button to flash orange and beep 3 times. Then press the Schlage button and then press 2. Wait for the 3 orange lights and beeps this time. Then enter the old 4-digit user code you want to remove. Now re-enter the old 4-digit user code to confirm, and you will see one long green flash and hear a long beep. Step 2. Add the new 4-digit code. Now enter your 6-digit programming code again and press the Schlage button. Now press 1 and enter your new 4-digit code. Then re-enter your new 4-digit code to confirm. One long green flash and one long beep means success. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.